What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing a maintenance detail on a BMW 330i, which I detailed probably around a year back, and it has been due for the 6-month routine maintenance, but because of the lockdown shit couldn't be done, so it's happening today, and we're showing you everything in a cinematic video as usual. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and press on the bell button for post notifications, and of course comment on the comment section below if you got any questions, and I will see you guys at the end.
I don't know who the fuck to trust, is she my friend or my foe? I'm a ex-dro, yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick, told her I love her, I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Nowadays these people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different turbulence. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrilla. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip.
Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little dot, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Sex a couple of days, yeah, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8 then I finally thought, yeah, I'm funkin' with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want it. These more boys think I'm cocky.
My bitch real like Mary Poppins. Yo bitch real like an ice, smoking on killer, I even coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo bitch real like an ice, smoking on killer, I even coffee. Nowadays these people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different turbulence. I remember.
Yo guys, so I have completed the detailing on the BMW 3 Series, and overall it wasn't really a very difficult job, because the only hard part, the only damage on the car was on the back boot area. There is some watermark stain, so I just cleaned it off with some chemical wash, and that was about it. The paint wise, overall is still in really good condition, and due to the lockdown the car wasn't really driven, so there was not much to be done. So I just did a basic simple maintenance wash, and then I removed the tar spots, and I removed the iron particles from the wheels, and detailed the inner barrels of the wheels, and that was it. So I guess I should end the video right here. Remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.